bloated, gassy, constipated, you are told to take probiotics, fermented foods, maybe a pill. And yes, those help, but only if the foundation is in place. Because here's what no one tells you. If you are still eating junk, skipping sleep, stressing all day, probiotics are just putting flowers on rubbish. Gut healing is more than adding one capsule. You need to chew your food properly, eat without distraction, sleep on time, reduce inflammation, hydrate, and yes, feed the good bacteria the right food, fiber, not just pills. So myth, probiotics alone heal the gut. And fact, gut healing is a full body, full rhythm process. Comment gut reset if you're ready to do it from the roots, not just the surface.